And first off, you've got this nice sliding header. So these are the stores where you're selling, right?
Yes.
Shop small. I love that. We've got some of your different products here. Okay, so we've got 3. So do you sell Christmas ornaments throughout the year?
No.
Okay.
Actually, it sometimes.
Sometimes.
I just sold 20 ornaments for a ministry to use as a gift, for a church to use as a gift.
Okay.
So, yeah, but I can remove that for sure.
I would just change it up because you're using 3. Listen, you could have 4 or 5 on this slider if you wanted to, but I would look at what's your hot item or what's your most profitable item and be pushing those up here. Okay. The other thing is, if you can, right now I'm clicking and it doesn't bring me anywhere.
Okay.
See how you can make these clickable. So if you're going to tell me shop small, shop local, I want to click on that and be brought to the store locator. People, I can promise you, people are coming on here, especially you probably, I mean, I'm sure your demographic is a wide age range, but I'm guessing it's more of an esteemed population, a little bit older, maybe. And so they're coming in and they're clicking and they're like, why can't I do this? And then they might get frustrated and they're out. So we want to make, and then here, so I love that you have the crosses from around the world. Are you looking at all at Google Analytics? Do you have Google Analytics installed?
I've got some cleanup to do on that because it was linking, the analytics were linked to McHarp crosses.com versus McHarp.com.
Okay.
So
that's no problem.
Yeah.
What I would do is, in that case, set up a new property for McHarp and you just start collecting the data starting whenever you do it. I would do that sooner than later. And here's why, because one thing that you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to see when people come in, what are they clicking on? We can actually visualize, if you're getting the traffic coming in, are they clicking on these different links to go to England or France or whatever? Are they, are they scrolling down more? Are they looking at the store locator? Are they looking at these cats and so on? If we can figure that out, and we know also what the hot products are, we want to change it up so that we're showing those hot products right away, getting people to click, get engaged, and buy. So Google Analytics can really help with that. There's something called the behavior flow report. And once you install Google Analytics, you're able to visualize. Someone comes to the homepage, okay, they go to France. And then from France, they go to, I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. And then they go here and they scroll down and they buy with Google Pay or add to cart. Wonderful. Now I can visualize that and figure out where are people going? How can I promote it more? Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. Do you have, so we were talking too about email, about using email. Do you have, what are you using for email marketing right now?
I've been using MailChimp.
You're using MailChimp. So you don't have, I'm not seeing anywhere to sign.
I don't have a good, there used to be a pop-up on it, on the website for, yeah, it didn't pop up on you. So I don't know.
Okay. Let me see. You know what? It might be because I've already been here. I'm going to open up a new screen and see if it does pop up and then I can share. Yeah, there we go. Here, let me new share. There we go. This, join the newsletter, right? And another one, sign up for our newsletter.
I can't get that. I can't get on the Shopify site that ConvertKit to go away. I've tried. So I've got to call into my web person.
Call your web person. It's a piece of code. What they did is they installed it in basically the header text of your website, and they just need to remove the ConvertKit code so that it shows the other one.
Okay.
There we go. Are you seeing the pop-up?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the one through Shopify, I'm guessing. The sign up?
They're actually both set up in Shopify.
Okay. So sign up for our newsletter. First name, last name, email address. When I'll ask you a very serious question. When you go on websites, what compels you to sign up for their newsletter? Like, what is there something that really gets you to say, okay, I want to join that newsletter, or I want to get emails from them? No, because you're a marketer.
Yeah, I'm more looking.
I don't want to
Yeah.
give my email away because I'm gonna be so.
Got too many. Yeah.
So here, from experience, I'll tell you this: instead of sign up for our newsletter, get inspiration in your inbox. You know, get exclusive access to our latest products. I'm guessing you have some return customers, right?
Yes.
Yes. So the idea of getting exclusive access to our latest products is a big one. Before anybody else, you're going to get access. For new people coming on, if you're getting a lot of traffic, maybe it's save X% on your first order or on your next order by joining our mailing list. The more incentive you give them, the more you're going to see people convert and join your mailing list. But you've got to give them something. Signing up for our newsletter, just like you, there's a lot of people. I've joined newsletters. I don't care. So what kind of value can you give them? And even perceived value. Hey, be entered into a drawing to win our goat milk soap or whatever it is, or a brand new product. So you can even change it up where you're promoting one of your new products and getting it in front of them. So think about that. The other thing is you're asking for first name, last name, email address. I would take away last name. To start, I would just do first name and email address. The more fields you add in an email subscription form, the less you're going to get conversion.
Okay.
They're going to say, why do I need to give you my last name?
Great.
Yep. What you could do is maybe you could say first name, email address, birthday, and we'll send you a special coupon for your birthday. And then through MailChimp, you can set up what's called a date-based autoresponder. It's really cool. It's like, have you ever gotten those birthday emails where you're like, wow, they really care. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this, this restaurant or whatever, they know my birthday. Yeah. Okay. It's not someone sitting there like, wow, it's Kim's birthday. They pop you into a database, and then MailChimp will say, hey, Kim's birthday is June 7th. We're sending an email with a coupon code. It's automated. Ron Popeil, set it, forget it. That's going to help induce sales as well.
Okay. That's great. Yes, very much.
Awesome. So I will stop the share. We're definitely, we went a little bit over, but I wanted to make sure I looked at your website. I mean, you've got a great thing going. I love the story, and I think the site is beautiful. I know you built on Shopify. We build a lot of Shopify sites. This looks really nice. It's nice and organized and clean. Just follow some of those steps. I'm going to send you the recording, but I think with those things,
awesome.
I'm pretty confident you're going to see some more sales, and you're going to see more return sales as well. Get those people on your email list. That's the way you're really going to start selling and driving in that return.
That's great.